What's up, guys? Old squirrel hunting today. I got my 410. The only bad thing is I only got one bullet, and which I'm not really going to kill for meat. I'm going to kill for something for my dog. So, we're gonna head up here and sit down for a second. I'm not really gonna sit down because the ground's wet and it's kind of sprinkling right now. But I better be quiet because these squirrels are just right here. So we'll catch y'all when we see one or see something or kill one or whatnot. So we'll catch y'all up here. Okay, guys, I see a squirrel. I lost him. He's too far to shoot and I didn't really want to move. But he's over there somewhere. I tried to get video of him, but it just didn't work. The leaves are, I don't know why, but the leaves are still on the trees. I'm not sitting down. I'm standing up. The ground's too wet. And I know what y'all are probably thinking. It's wet. The squirrels are going to be moving. I've killed a bunch of squirrels moving. Wet. But I better be quiet. I gotta see him. I kinda just seen him out of the corner of my eye. Jumping. Heck, he wasn't loud at all. There he is. Oh, there he is. Shoot, he moved. That was a different squirrel, I guarantee you. Okay. Hang on just a second. They're moving, I promise. Hang on just a second. I'll catch y'all when I see him good. But I was sitting on that crate there, right there, which the camera is zoomed in a little bit. And I see if I see his blood. I doubt he has any blood, but he's just sitting. Oh gosh. He's just sitting there, peaceful. I don't know if you'll see him. He's right there. Oh, boy. You got lucky today, motherfucker. I'm just sitting right under the tree. What are you doing, you moron? Did I hit you? Can I climb up there and get you real quick? Did I gut shot you? Okay, bye-bye. There it goes. What's up, guys? I missed that squirrel. I went and checked for blood, see if a BB might have went in his gut or something. But it's a tricky shot, I won't lie. And y'all probably just thinking that because I missed him, but I shouldn't have took it. my hands were freezing, which I wasn't shaking or anything. But this gun, it's a youth model. I can't remember what it is. I need to clean it off too. It's kind of wet, but it's made in Brazil. I just noticed that, so, or the stock might be, I don't know, but, I don't know. I'm gonna clean it up here in a minute, but I've heard that I've been talking too much on this, so that's kind of why I wanted to go squirrel hunting, because I knew I was probably gonna see some squirrels. So it's hard holding this camera up, I'm sorry, but, I kinda need to stand, but it'll be alright. We're in the hog barn here. I'm 2 bags of shavings here. But, I'm gonna try and do something here in a minute. This wasn't a very long video, so I'm gonna try and get something to do. But it's supposed to rain all day, so I might have a video tomorrow. I might put it with this one, but I ain't gonna get into too much detail. But my friend passed away a couple years ago, and they're having a memorial show. I'm sorry about that, the camera, but they're gonna have a memorial show for him, and I'm allowed to show in it, but my uncle's judging it, so I can't. If I win it, then people will probably be mad at us thinking we're cheating or something, but we're gonna go watch it. Might do some fishing tomorrow if it's not raining, or some more squirrel hunting. But when I walked up to that squirrel, he just sat there on that limb, and I was like, I wonder why he's just sitting here. I wonder if it's just he's calm, or he's just, a gut shot him or something. I don't think squirrels stand there. I don't believe I gut shotted him, but I only had 1 bullet. If I would have had another bullet, I would have busted him. But this gun, you kind of got to look down the barrel a little bit, and I thought I was, which I might not have been, but I don't know. But it happens. I probably just got a little bit excited for killing a squirrel on, I'm sorry, I'm stopped up, but I probably kind of got excited I was going to kill a squirrel on YouTube, but we had a hog show last night. I could have did a fishing video yesterday. It was perfect to be fishing yesterday. Spinnerbait fishing, but had a hog show, so couldn't. I was really wanting to go squirrel hunting yesterday, but I couldn't. It'd been great to go squirrel hunting yesterday, but it happens. And I didn't honestly think I was going to see that much squirrels. I know I was going to see some squirrels. I didn't think I was going to see that much, but anyways, I don't know. But these hogs are just thinking I'm weird. They're just chilling though. Look, just. Hang on just a second. I would tell y'all their names, but they don't have names, so that'd be kind of hard. But I'm gonna do a little guessing here. Hang on just a second. Right there's red gilt number 1. That's black barra. That's chrome barra. That's belted gilt. That's chrome gilt. That's white gilt. Red gilt number 2. And then blue barrel. Everybody tells me I'm so good at naming pigs, so I think I did pretty good there. That one, their pens needs cleaned out. We We just got back at Dad's house a couple of days ago, so no, we got there at night. We had a basketball game, and we couldn't. The next day we had a hog show, so we just tried to collect the ones we was gonna take. Whew, sorry. And we still haven't cleaned them out yet. The ones we didn't take, but anyway, sorry. I don't know why I hold my camera down here, but I know that's dirty. Don't pay attention here. It's kind of why I did it on the shavings, because my whole barn's dirty right now. So, but we're gonna do here something here in a minute. Don't know what yet. So I might go fishing in the rain. So y'all just stay tuned. Okay, guys. It's been about an hour or two, and yeah, we're not gonna do anything else. This is all we're doing. Sorry, I looked back at the videos and you can't really hear me. Sorry about that. But you could probably hear me a little bit mumbling in the background. And I don't know. But I did shoot at the squirrel. I missed the squirrel. It was a tricky shot, but he just another day of hunting with Ethan Sparks, so it's just my luck. But we'll try and make a video tomorrow after the hog show, or before the hog show. I don't know what time it starts, but I might do a little overview at the hog show. There is some woods down there, but it's public. I think it's public land, so you can't really kill nothing down there. It's private. I mean, you're not supposed to be shooting a gun in town, which I could bring my pellet gun. It's not that loud. If it's not raining tomorrow. I don't even know, to be honest with you. I don't know if we're gonna be really going tomorrow. We might be going trout fishing. But Dad said we're gonna be going. I really want to go see my cousin. I told a bunch of my friends I was gonna be there, so actually one of my friends, I don't know if you're gonna be there or not, but Kane's Outdoor Channel. I don't know if I got that right, but it'll be in the link in the description. So I don't know. I'm not very talkative today. I'm just tired. We got back at we got back at 1. Went to bed at 2 o'clock last night. So didn't really woke up at 10 this morning. I was miserable. I don't know. We didn't do much good last night. We got that do-rock right there. Hang on. Right, the do-rock, the red pig. Sorry. We got first in class with her, and then we brought this black pig. This one right here. He got sifted. I did showmanship with him. And that is the first time I ever got sifted in showmanship, which I did do an age group that was above me. I did in the 14 and up, and I'm only 13. So I did go against older people, and she said, I don't think y'all really care, but she said, you're a good showman, but your pig was just not cooperating today, so, and he wasn't, but, oh man, I'm tired, I'm sorry, but, anyway, I'm doing too long videos, I know, and I'm sorry. I'm trying to make this one little, and I'm talking too much, so, well, we'll make a video tomorrow or the next day, so, just stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and see y'all on the next one.